Welcome to Core English. In this lesson, we'll review each part of Level 0 so you will be confident in applying what you have learned. Take your time at your own pace. Remember, if you need them, the original lessons can be found on YouTube at coreenglish.org and on our website, coreenglish.org. Lessons 1 and 2. In these lessons, you learn the names, common sounds, and order of the English alphabet. Let's begin the review. Say the names and then the common sounds of each of the letters in the English alphabet. For example, for the letter A, B, B. The correct name and sound will then be given for you to compare. Let's start. A, B, B. C, K. D, D. E, F, G, G. H, I, J, J. K, K. L, U. M, N, O, P, P. Q, Q. R, S, S. T, T. U, V, V. W, W. X, X. Y, Y. Z, Z. Very good. Practice any that you didn't get right or that you don't feel confident about until you do. Lessons 3, 4, and 5. In these lessons, you learned how to blend simple words by pushing letter sounds together to form words. You also learned the short vowel sounds and the part that vowels play in forming words. Let's start the review. What are the names of the 5 regular vowels? These are A, E, I, O, U. What are the 5 regular short vowel sounds? A, I, Very good. Now blend each of these words. Note that each has a short vowel sound in the word. Say the sound for each letter and then the full word. The full word will be given at the end for you to compare. Lid, dog, leg, hat, bus, cat, hot, mud, met, sun, pop, sad, red, pin. Very good. Well done. If at any time you need them, the original lessons can be found on YouTube at coreenglish.org and on our website, coreenglish.org. Congratulations! You have completed Core English, Level 0. If you have found this video has helped you, then help us out by liking the video and subscribing to our YouTube channel. Or please consider making a donation to support our work at our website, coreenglish.org.